Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this tutorial, I will show you one of the best AI tool that creates article and blog posts in just one click that actually ranking on Google. This tool it's called SEO Writer and you find the link in the description. Let's dive in. Here, the inside on SEO Writer, you find four options. But in this video, we click on click blog post. Here, we type your keyword, first keyword, and it will generate you full SEO title. Here we choose the language, article type, and article size like medium, small, or anything you want. Here we choose the style, friendly or professional, or any you want. Here we choose the tool for writer. It's support Gemini 5, ChatGPT 5, it's Claude, and a lot of options. Here we choose the country you targeted. Here we choose the image creator. You want to create one image, two, three. Here we choose the size, and here we added a YouTube video. Click or yes or no, or choose number of your video. Here we SEO Writer will create you keyword targeting related keyword, and here we tell him how you want to the introduction go it. Here choose yes or no for conclusion, table, lines, and a lot of things, but only choose yes or no. And let's dive in. Here and here we choose the platform you'll optimize your blog post for a lot of platform: Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, LinkedIn. Click yes or no. Just click yes or no. Now we click run and your blog post is actually ready. Here my blog post I created about keto recipes. It's a full optimized SEO article that actually rank you on Google, and I will show you how it's a professional image. This is a helpful content. This is my YouTube video in this article. It's added you a video on your article. Let's dive in. Here the content number 3, image 3. It's actually how with FAQ and conclusion. Now you click on publish or export, and here the SEO meta title and description. Copy it, and here this article I copy it and publish it on Medium, and it's have already 300 views. It's actually very optimized SEO that actually ranking. Look at the platform, Google, Threads, and a lot of platform. We click on it and look at the like. It's very article optimized SEO, and I use this tool and Medium for selling my digital product about keto recipes. Look, it's professional article with helpful content and professional images. I use it for selling my ebook about keto recipes. It's actually ranking. Let's go back to SEO Writer, and if you want to try SEO Writer, and you will find the link in the description, and see you the next one.